Oh, Parameshwar, because the word is there, Parameshwar, in the Pada 3, third line. Tanna prasida Parameshwara Machindya. First they're saying, Parameshwar Prasad. We'd say Jagannath Prasad, Govindaji Prasad, Radharaman Prasad, or any Prasad, Prasad. And so it's Parameshwar Prasad, Prasida Parameshwara. So you are calling you Parameshwara, so what? So they translate Prasad as mercy. We say, I saw a very nice translation in a book, I forget by whom, but he translated the word Prasad in reference to food as grace food. Very nice. Maybe you've also have seen that, but I saw that. I never saw in my life a few years ago. So the devotees of the Lord, they offer so many tasty foods to the Lord, then after offering it to Krishna, then they accept it as and eat it as grace food. Prasad means grace, mercy. That's a very clever phrase. So they're saying, Parameshwara, you are under no one's control but your own. In other words, please be merciful to us. Okay, we didn't do anything, we don't qualify. Okay, but you're Parameshwar. Parameshwar means there's no controller above you, and no one can tell you what to do, and no one can order you to do this or that. So you're not bound by vratas and tapasyas. If you want to fulfill someone's desire, you can. You're free. You're Swatantra Ishvara. Totally Swatantra Bhagavan. You're totally independent and free of anyone. That's the meaning of God. There's no one above you. You're the absolute truth, all-powerful one. So, okay, we didn't do anything, but you can. We didn't do anything to get your mercy, but you can do anything. We didn't do anything to get your mercy, but you can do anything because you're Parameshwar. You're the supreme controller. And the gopis go on. Now listen, Parameshwar. It's not our fault. It's your fault. At the beginning of our youth, when we first caught sight of you, the seed of the creeper of our hopes, asham dritam. In other words, this I looked up in the Sanskrit of this. This is English. I looked up the Sanskrit tika of Vishnu Chakravarti just to see, compare the English with the Sanskrit, basically. And the Sanskrit is Chakshu Raga Pratamam, Chitta Sangash Sankalpa. So Chakshu Raga Pratamam means Chakshu eyes. Pratam means the first time. First time we saw you, we fell in love with you. Raga means love. So we say love at first sight. So it starts there. Everything starts there with Krishna. That's what he says in the seed verses of the Gita. Ham sarvasya prabhava mata sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajantima buddhavava samandita. He says that those who are intelligent understand that I am the source of everything. Aham sarvasya prabhava. So everything means I'm the source of all types of love, I'm the source of all types of feeling, I'm the source of all types of anything. Aham sarvasya prabhava. I heard this commentary once by one sannyasi. He's explaining this verse in terms of emotions and different degrees of love in Krishna Lila.